Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use WhatsApp for video calls and screen sharing on your PC and mobile. We'll cover both desktop and mobile perspective, so let's get started. Are you eager to make video calls using WhatsApp on your computer? You probably noticed that WhatsApp Web doesn't offer this feature, so to make video calls on your PC, follow these steps. You'll need to install the WhatsApp application on your computer. If you're using a Windows PC, go to the Microsoft Store. Search for WhatsApp and find the application by WhatsApp Inc. Click on Install to get it on your desktop. Once the installation is complete, launch the WhatsApp application. Note that this is not WhatsApp Web, it's a standalone application. You'll need to set up WhatsApp on your computer. Go to Link Devices on your phone and link New Device. Follow the setup process. After setting up WhatsApp application, you can now go to any contact and find options for making video calls and audio calls on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully installed WhatsApp on your PC and can now make video calls. So let's switch on mobile perspective and learn how to share your screen during WhatsApp video calls. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Ensure your WhatsApp is up to date. From your chats, open the conversation where you want to have a video call. Tap on the video camera icon on the top right to initiate a video call or answer the current call we have right now. Once you're in the video call, you can now share your screen. Make sure your WhatsApp is up to date to access this feature. So, if you want to share your screen on your PC, tap on the screen during the call, and you'll see a menu with a screen share button. Tap it to start sharing your screen. Your screen is now being shared with the other person on the call. You can navigate them and show them what's on your screen. To stop sharing your screen, tap the Maximize button, then tap Stop Sharing. And that's how you share your screen during WhatsApp video call on your mobile device and PC. In this tutorial, we've explored how to make WhatsApp video calls on your PC and how to share your screen during WhatsApp video calls on your mobile or PC. Now you've equipped with the knowledge to enjoy these features. So, if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.